Hello again. So I'm going to show you today how to package these little crafty painted jars to make it look a nice presentation for a Christmas gift, birthday gift. I'm doing Christmas gifts right now. And some of the ideas, now this is just how to pack up the whole set. You can get these little like the plastic that you see on the left, plastic plate is from the Dollar Tree. This little basket that I'm packing this one in is a basket that I had, and this set is for my daughter. So the basket is a gray basket, it matches the set. But they have these nice buckets kind of thing at the Dollar Tree that also I'll show you. They make a really nice presentation. Also, don't throw away the packaging that your jars come in, because you can cut out the label, the part that says ball, or you can cut it out where it's got the ball mason and a picture of some of the jars and put it especially on the buckets. Looks really cute. You could also punch a hole in them and hang it from a piece of twine off of the bow for a gift tag. Just makes it look a little more professional. So these gift bags, the plastic bags are also, they come in sets of 2 for $1 at the Dollar Tree. And then I've got some burlap ribbon to kind of go along with the theme, since I'm using the tan cording on these, this particular set of jars. And I wrote a little note on there for my daughter that it's handmade with love. But that's a part of the packaging that I cut out from the package that the jars came in. Also, the cardboard boxes that the jars come in, when you get the big sets of 12, the same thing. You can cut out the little ball labels or use a whole big strip to put it across like the buckets, and then just tape it with clear packing tape. Looks professional. You'll see that one next. I've already done a couple sets like that. So voila, you just place the jars in there where they kind of can be visible, set it inside the bag, tie a little piece of twine to hold it, then get your ribbon, tie you a nice pretty bow. And I have these ornaments. I have Santas and snowmen, different sleds that I'm using for my package tie-on to finish it off. I always do that every year at Christmas. My packages, I get some kind of little ornament type thing to put it as a package decoration. Then they can use it as an ornament if they choose, or throw it in the trash. Makes it look nice while it's sitting under your tree. So here we go with the burlap ribbon. And it's pretty stiff, so it makes a nice stand-up bow. You don't have to do anything fancy. You don't have to make a fancy bow. Just tie you a regular little bow and it still looks cute. Also, you can take some of these jars if you're not doing complete sets. Maybe you just want to get a case of jars and do all 12, maybe in different colors, different knobs on top, or no knob, just painted jars with maybe just a charm hanging, or just just some ribbon tied around it, or the cording. And you can fill them with cookies. I like to put the cookies in muffin cups, 2 or 3 to a little cup. Put it in, then layer them, stack them in there. You also could do homemade candies. You can fill them with nuts. You know, you could do a whole case of them and just have them ready for, like I say, the mailman, the police officers. I live right by the police department, so I'm planning a batch of things for the police department. And I'm going to do another video about that. The thing is, I like to do the crafts, but I often forget to take a video so that I can show y'all, but I'm going to try to do better. And on these bathroom sets that I've done like this, I got the little tiny snack bags. They have the new long, they're like 2 inches wide and 5 inches tall. And I filled them with Q-tips and stand them up in the Q-tip holder. Then I filled some with cotton balls to put in the cotton ball holder. And then I buy some little fancy cute toothbrushes and put them in the toothbrush holder. Then set the candle in the front. And it's ready to roll. Voila, all finished. See, the little ornament really gives it that extra touch, I think. Now here's the same set. I took it apart so I can show you the bucket. These are the buckets I'm talking about that are at the Dollar Tree. Stands up nicely in there. And of course you can get the tissue paper at the Dollar Tree. I should be an advertiser for Dollar Tree. Oh, and I always put the rings in the package too, in case someone wants to, maybe they don't want to use it for a bathroom set. Maybe they like the jars, but they want to use them for something else and they need to seal it. So if you put the rings in there, it gives them the option. Now you see this label that's on this giant candy jar? It's actually already got the tape and everything. It's perfect. Just peel it off, put it across the front of the bucket like this, and look how professional it looks. Then set it inside the bag, tie it up, put your ornament, all done. There's the Q-tips, cotton balls in their little packages. I got a little charcoal natural bristle brush for a toothbrush, put it in the toothbrush holder. Cute. Now see the green jars, those are great for candy. These two, homemade candy, you could give them out individually, or cookies. Another one good for a candy jar. I made that one for a guy. Same with these, they're not mason jars. And here's Jeffrey because it's Jeffrey's world. He's posing with my own personal jar. Well, that's it for today. See you next time. Bye-bye.